Hey, what's up guys? So welcome back to my channel. Hi to each and every one of you guys watching. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Today I'm going to be doing a Boxy charm unboxing. Here for the title, I will be doing an unboxing. This is, I believe, my second box for Boxy charm. Boxy charm is a monthly subscription where you get about 5 some full-size items, and they're all beauty items, skincare, hair care, all beauty products, and then you do get 5 of them in a box every month for $20. So I think that's pretty cool. It's a good way to kind of make your collection bigger or whatever. I was kind of debating on either getting it or not, but I decided to get it. This is my second box so far. My second box. I didn't do a video on my first box that I got. The first box I did get was on April. Yeah, April. The month of April. Sorry, I'm itching my ears. So the first box I did get which was my first box, was on April, but I didn't do the video on that one. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I did get for my April monthly subscription for Boxy charm, let me know down below. Wait, we're in May, right? Yeah, we're in May. I'm sure. So today I did get my Boxy charm, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox it with you guys. Basically we're just gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got, and this is what it looks like, and then you get your items here. So let's go ahead and start off. You do get a pamphlet, or like a little paper showing you guys how much the items are, how much they are in full size, and how much they are the ones that they sent you. So basically we're gonna start off with the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleanser. Gentle but make it bubbly. This is a conditioning gel cleanser. Cleans the skin and dissolves makeup. Okay, so this one is a full size box. This is a $20 item, $20 worth of money in item of this. I'm all over the place. It's $28 for this item here, and it is a full size item. So let's go ahead and get started and show you guys what the item looks like. It is a freaking full size. So this is a makeup, I guess, cleanser or whatever. I'm excited to use it. So that's the first item we got. The second item, it is the Alamar Color It Blush Trio. It's a blush trio, which is $22. Let's go ahead and look for it. So obviously have some things up here, but there's like something down here. So this is the Alamar blush trio. So okay, it's cute. So it looks like this. Whoa. It looks like this, and this is what the blushes look like. Super adorable. You guys are able to see me there. Okay, so this is what the blushes look like. They're super pretty. I am really I like this. It's really pretty, and it's for a medium tan skin tone, so I really like that. And that one is a $22 full size. So let's go ahead and start off with the other item. The other item, it is a Ciate Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow, and it's right over here. This is what the item looks like. Let's go ahead and open it. Whoa, I dropped it. So this is what it looks like. And it's like an iridescent type of eyeshadow. Okay, so it looks like this. It's really pretty for eyeshadow. Ooh, yes. So that's that, guys. And this little sucker here, it is a full size, and it is $22 for this. So that's that one. Let's go ahead and start off with the Steve Laurent lip gloss. 1 part balm and 3 parts silk. The Steve Laurent lip gloss. It's a lip gloss, and this one is $22 also. This is what it looks like. And the one I got was in Posh. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna have to push it off from the other side because this does not want to come out. Oh, it's really pretty. So this is what the lipstick look like, or lip gloss, should I say. Okay, and this is what it is. It's a little bit orangey for my liking, but it's It's cute. It's cute. Let's try it on top of this. It's not bad. It's cute. I will be mixing it because it's really orangey here. So that's what that looks like. And then the last thing I did get is the Vintage by Jessica Libeskin. I don't know how to say her shit, but cashmere lip pencil. It is a pencil, and this one is in it's $21. So this is what it looks like. It's called Vintage, and this is the lip pencil. It's like a pretty nice mauvey color. So that's it for the Boxy charm, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. And I know I have not done videos in a while, and it's been taking me quite a long time to do them, but I am here and I'm back again. So yeah, so you guys will be seeing me more often on my videos. So thank you guys so much for watching my Boxy charm unboxing. I hope you guys like the items that I did get. If you guys are interested in getting the Boxy charm subscription, go ahead and search boxycharm.com, or yeah, and it'll go ahead and show you guys. So that's what I did. So, and then you can't see the back because they have the information, but this is usually how it comes, and it just says hello charmer. And it's pretty cool. So yeah, go ahead and try it out. If you guys have not tried it out, try it out. So that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed your day, and give me a thumbs up if you guys liked the video. Thank you guys so much. Oh, and let me show you guys. These are the nails for today. I did do these nails myself, guys. What do you guys think? They're super dope, huh? And the reason I have orange in the bottom is because I had orange before these nails. I had orange nails. So this is all powder. The marble, I did it by scratch. I did the marble myself with acrylic powders. So that's that. If you guys are interested in seeing a video on me doing nails, let me know. I will go ahead and do it for you guys, and I'll post it up for y'all. So that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye, guys.